Okay, here's the homework. Most classes I did number one. Some of my classes I didn't do this, so let's do this. You always do additive inverse first, and then you distribute always parentheses first, so negative 8m plus a positive 20, and this is 10 plus. And then these are alike here, so we combine them. You get 30 plus negative 8m. And then on the other side, you can combine these two. There's no parentheses, so you don't need to combine like terms. Negative 8m. So we'll just do it red, okay? Red side. Negative 8m plus the 10. All right, and then you make negative 8m plus the 10. Then you make zeros. It's easiest to make zeros to the one with the variable. So add 8m, add 8m, 0 there, 30 equals to 10. This is no solution. No solution? They want you to explain why. Explain the problem with answers no solution infinite. No solution? We know no solution because you see this 0 right here? Those are called coefficients. The coefficients are the same because coefficients are the same. Okay, number 2. Additive inverse first, as you can see. Draw your walls. I'm going to do this one in red, and I'm going to do this other side in purple. Okay, so in red, the red one, you need to, there's invisible 1, distribute negative 3y, yes, plus a 4, and plus a negative 20, yes, what is it? This gets you negative 16. Negative 3y plus that.
She said that the district only wants one paper.
Then take that one out. The other one goes to the kid.
So she took the green paper.
Then this one goes to the kid. What does she want me to do with this?
I don't know. She just said to
tell it to turn, give it to homeroom, and give it back to the child. I already put it in the grades. Okay, thank you. Combine these are alike. Okay, that's negative 3y plus negative 16. Negative 3y plus negative 16. Okay, you can't combine like terms anymore, so you have to make zeros. Do the variable first, add 3y. Notice the coefficients are the same on both sides. They're negative 3y, so it's going to be either no solution or infinite solution. This is negative 16 equals to negative 16. This is infinite solution. Notice even the coefficients, the constant is the same. So this is infinite solution because both, notice they're both the same, both the coefficient, because both coefficient and constant. The 16 is called a constant. The number without a variable are the same on both sides. Okay. Now most classes I didn't get to do this. Least common denominator, then you make 0, add 96, add 96 here. Most of you should know how to do this now. Equals 98. Divide by 9, divide by 9. C equals to 98 over 9. Number 4. Cross cancel. That's 4. 4 times a negative 1. It's a negative 4 equals to 5h plus a negative 48. Okay, combine the like terms, add 48. Okay, that's 0, 44, 5h, divide by 5, h equals to 44 over 5. One solution. These are one solution. They didn't ask us to explain because there's one variable, one number. One variable, one number. So it's one solution. Infinite has no variable. No solution has no variable. Okay? Notice the difference. Okay. Most classes I finished all of these, except some classes I didn't finish the B part, making an infinite solution. But you should be able to choose your own numbers. So, just for those kids who are absolutely lost and need to copy everything. All right. You always start with the sides with the more of the numbers here. We're making infinite solution. We need to make sure all is the same. Okay? So pick numbers. Additive inverse first. Say 2, 3, 1. 1 is never good. Let's say 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you 2 parentheses x plus negative 3 plus 4 equals. We're not doing the blue side yet. Make sure you finish the red side first. Okay, distribute 2x plus a negative 6 plus 4. 2x plus a negative 2. Okay, what's the missing here? Make sure they're all the same, so we need to make sure this is the same. So that needs to be 2x there, plus, this is a negative 10, so we need to put this negative 10 here, plus that negative 10. Well, these aren't the same, so that means you have to change this. We want it plus, to get it a negative 10, you want this to be a negative 10. Have to add a negative 4, not a positive 4. So this should be a negative 4 here. Okay, then you have it exactly the same. That's infinite solution. Everything is the same on both sides. Same, same. Minus 2x, minus 2x. 0 here, negative 10 equals to 0, negative 10. Infinite solution. Infinite solution because infinite, F-I-N, God, I don't know what I'm spelling, infinite solution. The reason why it's infinite solution is because this is the same, it's called this right here, coefficient, the coefficient, it's on both sides, you see, they're the same. Coefficient is, and the constant, those are called constant, are the same on both sides. Of the equation. Okay, now number 7. Additive inverse plus a negative. Anywhere else? Okay. I'll do light green. This side has 3 boxes. The other side has 2. So 3 box win. All right. Pick a number. 2, 4, 6. Okay, that's a negative 2, parentheses m, plus a negative 4, parentheses plus 6. All right, It's green. So we'll do that. Distribute negative 2m and a positive 8 plus 6. Negative 2m plus 14. Okay. Right here, the missing number then, this is no solution. So only the no solution. For no solution, the coefficient has to be the same. No solution. Only the coefficient are the same. Okay, so the coefficient is this one. So only that needs to be the same, so that goes here. So we get negative 2x plus, and this can be any, it has to be different. The constant has to be different. So we make it 16. Negative 2x plus 16. Then solve it, add 2x, add 2x, 0, 0, 14 does not equal to 16, no solution. Make the above equation, that's this one, infinite solution. Solve and explain. Okay, let's start with the green. Choose any number we want. You don't need to use this number, but if you want to, you can. Say 3, 2, and 5. So you get, make sure you do additive inverse here, negative 3, parentheses, oh, this should be x. Oh my gosh. X, guys, x, not m. This should be x. If they're not alike, you can't work with it. Sorry, I should have, I'm so used to doing this, I don't remember the variable. I know what I needed to teach. That should be x. Okay, 3m, that should be x plus a negative 2 plus 5 equals. Okay, this is infinite solution. It's harder. Distribute negative 3x, positive 6, plus. Okay, infinite solution, they all have to be the same. So, I'm not sure yet. We know for sure this one here need to be negative 3. Plus, okay, let's find out. What do we need to add? If I have 5 here, I get 11. Negative 3x plus 11. So I need to make it exactly the same, so this need to be plus 11. Notice they're exactly the same. So infinite solution because the coefficient, which is these, and the constant, which are these, are the same on both sides. Okay? Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's do that. And I think most classes we did this one. Just in case, I'll do it all. Okay, here you don't distribute, you can't do anything here but additive inverse. You have to make 0. Minus 4x, minus 4. I always like to make the smaller variable equal to 0. Equals to 15. Add 7, add 7. 2x equals to 22. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals to 11. One solution. Okay. right here. Minus 5w minus 5w. 0 plus 10 is 10. 0 plus 10 is 10 also. This is infinite solution. Easy, right, guys? This one here, minus 7y minus 7y, 4 and 10. No solution. Easy. Number 4, distributive property, 3g plus 12, 2g plus 5g plus 12 on that side, and the other side is just blue side, we make it 34. Make 0. 5g equals to 22 divided by 5. Can't go in evenly, so let's just pick 22 over 5. Or 4 and 2/5. Number 5. Okay. Okay, 8n plus 6. I can't do anything. This side I can combine these. 8n plus 6 minus 8n. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. So infinite solution. So easy, right, guys? This one is going to be infinite also because additive inverse. Okay, you can go this side you can't do anything. This side you can combine. 3v and a v is 4v plus a negative 10. Same thing here. So this is infinite solution. They're exact same thing. Okay? Because both the constant and variable are the same. Infinite solution. Okay, and this one, total cost in dollar, and then we said $2 for each movie. Each means times in math, so 2 times the number of movie you're gonna watch, plus there's no per here anywhere, it's just a fee, so plus $20 in fee. Okay, if you want to spend $45, dollars goes under cost, so 2 times the number of minutes plus 20 equals to 45. Subtract 20, 25, divide by 2, m equals to 12.5. How many can you watch? How many movies can you watch? You can watch 12 movies. You can't pay for half a movie. They're not going to do that. Okay. Complete the table. Person number 1, there's 3 people. Person number 2 and person number 3. Person number 1 only watched 1 movie. Remember, it's $2 per movie for each movie plus the $20 in fee. That's how we find the total cost. So 2 times 1 plus 20 is $22 for this one person. For the next person, it's 2 times 4 for the movie plus the $20, so it's $28. The last one is 2 times the number of movie, which is 11, plus $20. So you get $42 as the total cost. And please explain one thing you've learned today.